Did you know that you can completely automate your trading on a decentralized exchange and therefore generate passive income? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how you can set up grid bots on the Apex protocol exchange, the decentralized exchange built by Bybit. At the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up these grid bots, how to use them to open long positions, short positions, or long and short at the same time. And you will know also the difference between a arithmetic grid bot and a geometric grid bot. And I've already made a tutorial on how to set up these grid bots on the Bybit exchange. If you haven't seen that one, because that one get a lot of views, make sure to watch it. I'll put a link to that video down below in the description. Because Apex is a decentralized exchange, if you want to create an account over on the Apex protocol, you need an external wallet like MetaMask. So once you've downloaded and already have MetaMask, you can go to the Apex website. I have a link, affiliate link down below in the description, where you will get extra benefits if you sign up using that specific affiliate link. They even are giving away a Lambo very soon to one of the users on the platform. Once you have created an account over on Apex and you have connected your wallet, it will bring you to the following page, which is basically the trading dashboard, the interface, which looks very similar as to that of Bybit. If you want to open the gridbot function, you go right here to trade and then you click here over on gridbot. It will bring you to the following page. You can either choose to use the gridbots on the Apex Pro exchange, which is the first version of Apex protocol, or you can choose to do it on Apex Omni, which is the second version. They both work pretty similar. So the first question we gotta ask ourselves is, of course, how do grid bots work? Well, grid bots, as the name already says it, basically is a grid on the price structure at certain levels where this bot automatically buys and sells your position. So when you can, for example, detect very good support and resistance levels, then it will buy at the support and it will sell at the resistance. And the more often the price is dangling between support and resistance, the more profit you make. So you guessed it already, this works the best in a sideways market, especially when you are looking to make a neutral bot which is longing and shorting at the same time. So depending on the market conditions, you have to think on which type of bot you want to create. In a bull market, you generally want to be more long than short, of course, because prices are going up. In a bear market, you probably would like to have more short positions, and in a sideways market, you probably want to have neutral, which is longing and shorting at the same time. In this video, we are going to create a long trading bot because I'm expecting the price of Bitcoin to increase. Therefore, I find it more lucrative to open long positions on Bitcoin. So guys, let's go through the process right here. First of all, you gotta click here on long. Of course, you can do short or neutral, whatever you like, but we are going to do long. Then you have to select a price range. So let's say we want to have a price range of 70,000 US dollars all the way up to 76,000 US dollars. And then you can already see that we are getting some lines right here on the chart. That's because we already have the amount of grids set in this settings, which we will come to in a sec. But here you can already see very clearly in the chart this specific grid. So whenever Bitcoin is coming down at these levels, Bitcoin will be bought up. And it will be sold again when it's bouncing off from these levels and reaching a certain profit. Then let's have a look at the amount of grids and the type of grid that we are using. First of all, there are two types of grids. You have an arithmetic grid and a geometric grid. And the difference between those two is that an arithmetic grid, which is a difficult word to pronounce, is basically having the same quantity of the orders at every level. So let's just say a very simple example. You have a order size of total 1,000 US dollars. You have 10 grids. Then it will do per grid 100 US dollars, which is very straightforward, right? If we go to a geometric grid bot, it actually increases the entry the lower Bitcoin goes. So for example, if you would have that 1,000 US dollars total order size, then it would maybe right here, buy one would buy for 50, the second one 70, the third one 100, the fourth one 150, the second one 250, monthly, and so on. You get the point. So the lower it goes, the higher the order size, which can be good in certain situations, because if we get a liquidation event, of course, you're actually catching many positions, but the lower it goes, the more progressive your position actually becomes. So which is also in your favor, because the lower it goes, the higher chance we have for a bounce, the better entry you basically have. But we are going to do, in this example, we are going to do an arithmetic grid. We're going to set this on 10. You can also set this, for example, at 20. Then you have a lot of different grids, right? We are going to put it at 10 to make it simple. Just to let you know, guys, because right now we are doing a long grid. If you would do a short grid, you will need to have the price range needs to be above the price, right? Because the short orders needs to get filled. So with a neutral order, you also need to have them above the above the current price, as you can see right here. So it will short at these levels and it will buy at these levels. But like I said, we are just going to do the long position and 76,000. We have 10 grids. We can see that the profit per grid is roughly 4%. So with every buy and we are seeing a bounce and we have a profit of 4%, this bot will close the position. Then below here, you can set the amount of leverage. So we right now are sitting on 5 leverage. Let's make it a 10x leverage. We just put 100% of our account in there. Then we have a total order size of roughly $7,000 and an estimated liquidation price at 65,845, which basically means that if the price of Bitcoin comes down, for example, right here to $70,000, all our buy orders will be filled, and if it's bouncing in between to the upside, it will also generate profits. But if it would drop so low to 65,845, our bot will be liquidated and the available margin will be gone basically. That's similar how it works with leverage trading, only this process is automated. This option to have open positions on creation is basically whether you want to open directly a position with a market order. We are not going to do that because we want Bitcoin basically to reach our entry levels. Then you can set, of course, a trigger price. A trigger price is similar as a conditional order, is that first the Bitcoin price needs to meet a specific price in order to execute this grid bot. So for example, you just want to open that bot when Bitcoin is touching $75,000, then this bot will not be executed unless Bitcoin first reach $75,000, and then you will see the grid bot above and below the price, the one that you have been setting up. We are not going to do that. That's pretty advanced. Maybe on your trading strategy you'll need that in the future, but we are not needing that right now. You can also directly set a take profit or a stop loss. We're also not going to do that right now. Then we click on create right here. Then we can see the order confirmation, the price range, the amount of grids, the mode, and the margin that we put into this bot. Then we click on confirm, and basically now our grid bot is live, but we don't have any open positions yet because the price has not really met the first buy of our long grid bot. So we basically have to wait for Bitcoin to come down, and the further it comes down, the more positions we will have been opening, and the more it's bouncing in between, the more profit we will have along the way. Then below right here on ongoing, you can basically see our bot. We can see the amount of leverage. We can see when we've created that bot, the price range, the amount of grids, the margin. If you want to see more details, you can click right here on details, where you can basically see your total profit, your P&L, your unrealized P&L, and many more things, including your positions. And if you want to stop this bot, you can either click right here on stop bot, or you go back to the Apex dashboard right here, and you can click right here on spot, and then it will stop, and then it will just like cancel the bot that you just have been creating. So guys, there are a lot of advantages when using these grid trading bots because it's purely automated. It's very much passive income if you set up these grid bots good. However, the only downside is that you do have to know the market conditions in order to know how you are going to set up your grid bot. So in a sideways market, and sometimes Bitcoin is trading sideways for like 6 months, if you have the right grid, that will mean that during those 6 months you will get continuously profits. right? But if you are in a bull market and Bitcoin is going in an acceleration phase and it's just doubling its price, you don't want to have a short bot open. So these are things you have to think about whenever you are using these grid bots over on the decentralized exchange Apex. So guys, it's pretty straightforward. If you have any questions about this process on setting up grid bots over on Apex, make sure to let me know in the comment section down below and I will answer them as soon as possible. If you learned anything from this tutorial, make sure to leave a thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, make sure to subscribe down below and hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. If you want to start trading with these bots over on Apex, make sure to join with the affiliate link down below, as you will get a lot of benefits and you can even win in the not so distant future a Lambo or an iPhone on the Apex platform. But okay guys, that was it for today's video. If you haven't seen my video on Bybit grid trading bots, make sure to check that one out, and I see every single one of you in the next video.